What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another session of Build, Break, and Fix, brought to you by the two of the role coders, Kartik and myself. How are we feeling, Kate, today?
Pretty good, pretty good. Had a bit of a lazy evening, but yeah, good we could end the evening to this note. So yeah, it's good
Yeah,
to be back on the stream. How are you doing?
fantastic. Yeah, I'm doing pretty good as well, being a bit of a productive, as in morning, afternoon, and evening now. So, yeah, looking forward to getting some things done and we'll see how I go with our target today.
Yeah, for sure. That sounds good.
Fantastic. All right. So first thing is first, let's acknowledge the country and pay our respects to the elders. So here we go.
Hmm.
I begin today by acknowledging the traditional custodians of the land on which we gather today and pay my respects to the elders past, present, and future. I extend that respect to Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people here today. All right, that was smoothly done.
Hmm.
Welcome, Gagdev. Good to have you.
Hey, Kevdev, how's it going? Right then.
Cool. All right, let Gagdev choose a letter, and then we can pop on some music.
Yeah. Yes. Happy Friday. I don't know how for me this week was really fast. Didn't even realize it's Friday already.
Welcome to full-time work life, man.
Yeah, like on top of that, it's just one of those weeks. You just don't realize, hey, it's Monday. Oh no, it's Friday. Uh,
Yeah, I get that feeling is frequently. It's
mm,
just too much. It's just too much to do, and the time just flies past,
yeah,
isn't it?
dude. Like, I was just realizing yesterday, right?
Hmm.
From in 3 days from now, we'll be halfway through 2020.
Yeah.
And I
Wow.
was like, wow, okay.
2022.
Yeah, sorry, 2022. Oh, I'm still
Yeah.
stuck in 2022.
I was like,
Yeah,
hello, anyone home?
but it's crazy,
No.
dude. Like, we're already 6 months into 2020.
It is, right?
2022. Oh my
And
god. Okay. Sorry.
again, it happens. It happens.
Yeah.
Eh, has there been a special memory for you in 2020? Because it seems to be as in you can't forget
Yeah,
in 2020.
there's this thing called COVID, which was pretty special.
Oh, okay.
I'm
Cool,
still
cool.
stuck with
Now,
it.
apart from that one.
Nah, I think like time stopped in 2020 for me.
uh, you want to go back in time and being kind of in lockdowns and all that.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. Yeah,
uh,
that's it.
that's well, it's 2022. World is moving on. So shall we? And yeah, so just a bit of a context, as in yes, today I didn't really make it because I did need two people on different networks to
Yep,
test the WebSockets and the fixes of that as well,
yep.
which is why I thought it's pointless me even streaming if I can't get any work done. But now the best part is that Kit is with us and he's on a different place. So
Yeah.
we can actually test.
I think one other way. So you want two computer networks in like two computers in two different networks? Is that what it is, or two different computers?
Oh, two different computers in so yeah, two different computers in two different networks.
Oh, right. Okay.
Mhm.
Right. Makes sense. I was gonna say if it's two different computers, maybe we could have tried launching like a virtual box or something.
Yeah, yeah, I thought about that already, but then it wasn't going to be under the same Wi-Fi.
True.
So I was like, probably not.
Hmm.
Mm.
Yeah, makes sense.
How's your week been, Kartik? And Dev's asking.
Oh, pretty good. Yeah. I started studying for solutions architect again. I kind of was gonna do it. I booked my exam in December, but I had to cancel it. So back at it now. Now that things are settled down. Apart from that, nothing much actually has been really going on. What about you, Zen or Cactus for that matter?
Like, Dev come by.
Oh, you
Hopefully.
you have a big news or something.
Hey?
You have something big or something?
Very big, I would say.
Oh, rant.
Hold it. Hold your horses. Hold your horses. All right.
Yeah,
So I will get the thing started and
yeah,
share my screen as well.
you're
So
right.
first we can probably kick off from Jira to see what we need to focus on for today. To be honest, I was thinking today that I'm having a look at Jira that will we be able to finish the bug fixing? Ah, come on.
Hmm. I can send you the.
Yeah.
Let
Why?
me try sending it to you.
What am I missing? I'm pretty sure I'm using the right password. Ah, um, come on, dude, come on.
Whoops.
Just give me one more
Yeah,
try.
that's all good. I have it logged in on my computer. If it helps.
Okay. No. Hi. Rocoders at gmail.com. Okay, Shane, that way you can probably share the screen.
What do we need the email address for?
To access Jira.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Oh no, hang on a minute. I might have mistaken it completely
Uh-huh.
because Jira is under my email address, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, true.
Ah, that must have been the reason why.
Because I remember we don't get any emails from Jira on
Yeah.
the, or else like Jira really bombards my email all the time.
Yeah, that's true though. As in, I don't know what I was thinking, but yeah.
Hmm.
So, I think we so this has to be tested somehow. So I don't know how we're gonna test this because in the code, the so this issue or WebSocket connection time needs to be extended.
Yeah,
In the code, I was checking that it's got time out of 2 hours.
right. Okay,
We,
interesting. Also, Kegle's
yeah,
asking
yeah.
how's your week been, Sen?
Yeah, my week's been pretty kind of productive, as in, um, w- r- really picking up speed in work, and yeah, just getting a lot of things done, and working on few other things with this project as well. So yeah,
Right, that's
been
good.
very good so far.
Mhm.
and looking forward to the weekend as well. So that should be good.
Mhm. It's really good.
Yeah. So yeah, it does say in the code, hey, if you're seeing my screen, okay,
Yeah, I am.
that it's got maximum timer of 2 hours.
Right. Okay. Is that isn't that what it's supposed to be?
So I didn't know. I was thinking that it was, and someone actually told me as well that the timeout is probably 30 minutes, which is why I wanted to increase the timeout, hence this ticket as well. But
Right.
seeing is 2 hours, I don't think we even need this issue.
Okay. Yeah. Makes sense.
Why is it not working for
Maybe
me?
reload the page.
Move your issue. We can move your sprint. Your no, don't need you. Celebrate with us. No, it's not.
Click on the three dots. That's interesting. Is there an edit? No. Oh, okay. Click on.
What?
Oh, that's great. Wait, let
Huh?
me try it again. Let me try it.
This is
I've never,
interesting.
I've never seen something like that.
Oh, you won't be able to, I think, because you're not added.
Oh, that is true.
Yeah. What was your thing again?
Yeah, just add this. Yeah,
This one?
yeah, add, yeah, that.
Are you sure?
Yeah, yep.
Okay.
Let's see if I got the email.
Because I added this and then I typed in your email address, something, a profile with your picture came up. So I thought this cartoon, as in this one, would be a wrong person.
Um, no, I think that's me because
Oh,
it
okay.
suggests the name.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
because I was already in there. Um, but
Right.
essentially, why is it not letting us click? What kind
Exactly
of?
my point. It's not allowing it. Hang
I
on.
know someone who works at Jira. I'll send them this stream.
Move your issues. We can move your first comment issue straight into your backlog. No, I don't want you to. Why can't we click on these issues? I want to be able to see the description
Is
of it.
this on viewing mode or something?
To be honest, for me, it should be full version automatically because I'm the
True.
admin.
Yeah, true.
So it shouldn't really matter. Um,
Um,
yeah, has access. This is right.
you probably don't wanna show emails.
Oh, I completely forgot.
That's all good. That's all
My
good.
bad. My bad.
Uh huh. All good. All good. Right. Okay.
So
Anyway, we can just move it, right? We just want to move it.
no, I wanted to delete it.
Yeah, you could delete it as well.
Actually,
Yeah.
delete it. Okay, cool. So that we don't need, and if we actually times out before that, we can always come back.
Hmm. Yep. Makes sense.
Okay. Yeah. So patch, yeah. So I wanted to work on this one. Patch note method being called when no changes are made to the notes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to create. It's okay. It's not online. My rice are cooking. I'm hungry, and the smell of it is making me even more hungry.
What are you cooking again?
I'm cooking
Rice.
rice, yeah, in the rice cooker, and chicken wings are already done.
Oh wow, okay.
I'm just waiting for the rice.
Fancy
Oh,
stuff.
mm, I would just say effective stuff. Yeah, least amount of effort, maximum result.
True. At least you're cooking. I haven't been cooking for a while, so I
Uh,
totally
y-
forgot.
you're rich, man. You must be doing
No, I just don't eat.
takeaways, or yeah, probably you should just don't eat. Huh?
No. So I like recently I've been getting this. So for morning and lunch, right? I've been getting this Cole's pasta thing,
Ah,
um,
right.
which is like pretty cheap.
Mm-hmm.
Which gets me like two meals, and in the evening I usually, so me and my mates usually cook in the common area, so that happens.
Ah, okay. Right, right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know someone who has a mm, housemate, and he's a chef.
Right.
And I was like, hang on, how about if I get a free bedroom house, then you'll make and come and rent my, and then
Yeah.
he can basically,
Imagine putting like a rental ad, and in the ad you specify that only chefs are allowed to live in this
yeah,
apartment.
I might do that. Actually, that'll be fun.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. Rent
Yeah,
deduction if you're a chef.
yeah, 10% off if you're a chef.
Oh, that's a big discount on rent.
Actually, yeah, why not? I'm feeling
Hmm.
generous.
Fair enough, fair enough.
Alright, S3. Okay, I'm pretty sure Farts are about to come on our way, so I'm gonna, as soon as make the live, I'm gonna,
Mhm.
um, I'm gonna,
Yep. Are you trying to delete this, or
huh?
are you
No,
trying to?
just enable the hosting in it.
Oh, right, yeah, makes sense.
Yeah. So this one has to be home .html, and this one index .html. All right. Now let's open that one and see how that went. Mute this.
Good choice.
That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So if you wanna add this one
Yep. Surely.
to yours, du- 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 what's the point of me sending you on private chat?
Actually, it's easier to copy stuff in private chat, so
Ah, right. Yeah, that makes sense as well.
that helps.
Okay. Are you connected?
Yeah. Yes, and I created a note as well, but I don't know if it's showing up. You try creating a note.
Are you able to see my notes?
Let's see. Nope.
No.
Do you have to click save by any chance?
No. So this is via WebSocket. So
Mm-hmm.
whatever I'm doing before save, you should be able to see my actions.
Right. Okay. Um, Click outside the box. No.
So WebSocket is opened, but it's not. I'm just trying to think what can go wrong here.
Yep.
Because we're not even having any movements on there.
True. That's true. Um.
Because it's showing that it's changing the position, which is good.
Yeah. Oh yeah. True. It's just not coming up on my end. That's all.
Yeah, we just to do with something to do with WebSocket, to be honest. But it does say it's open. So it is connecting. Let me just go and check in API gateway. WebSocket. API, no, we don't need that. Connect handler, yeah, that should be fine. Huh? You don't have any Lambda functions in AP Southeast 2. Why not? This is interesting. So apparently I don't even have any Lambda function in AP Southeast 2. Let me just go and check. Why is it saying that in cloud formation? API stack, resources, WebSocket API, yeah. WebSocket Connect. That is in Sydney, which is AP Southeast 2. So why does that say that it's not connecting? Monitor. Have you got uh, any idea, Kay? Are you there?
Oh, sorry. I was muted. Oh.
Oh,
Oh. I'm wondering what does API gateway say again?
API gateway. I don't think it says anything. The console just says it that
Yep. What is it?
that you don't have any Lambda functions in AP Southeast 2.
Oh.
But is there? If you see
Hmm.
here, this is Sydney and this is the function VUE. VUE.
Wow. Okay. Huh. Create on click. Sorry. Click on create function. Where is the create lambda function? Let's see where it takes us. Oh no, never mind. Not that.
Integration type. Hang on, let me see the logs of API get all
You're
the
right.
logs that's there.
Yep.
So that's successful, which is great. No errors here. Log groups on connect. Sam, no, that's not the one. This is the one. 2201, no. 93. WebSocket connect. Why
Hmm.
is that doing this? It was
They're
working
facing
before.
some weird problems today. Like we can't click on Jira and now this. It's really interesting.
Yeah, these are really interesting
We are
things that
haunted.
we are facing. Hmm?
Been haunted today.
Mm-hmm. Who's being haunted?
Both of us.
True.
Like there's literally a lambda function there, but it's But is that an issue though? Like, is that actually causing any problem? API gateway saying that?
Well, well, it's not API gateway, just a console.
Right. Okay. Is that is that stopping us from doing something?
Well, the WebSocket isn't working because you can't see it. So this is the
Oh,
WebSocket thing, and this is apparently not picking up this function because if they what is thinking that this function apparently isn't there.
yep. Could this be deployed again, or is that a long process?
Yes, it can always be deployed again, but I'd have to go through the entire process again. Actually,
Oh, right.
let's have a look. Deploy. Yeah, why not? Because now I'll have to change the URL
Oh,
as
right.
well.
Yeah. Right.
In here, in Scrum, in is it here? Where was it? Where was it? Where was it? This is the connect. No, no hairs in the front end one. Front end one. Uh-huh. Oh, hang on a minute.
Mm-hmm.
We might have the wrong URL,
Oh,
it seems.
that shows something. Is it actually the different one?
Because it's got two connection URL is here.
You're right. It says WebSocket URL is W starts from WSS. Which makes sense.
Yeah,
Um,
yeah. I don't know what I was thinking, but yeah, it's fine. This should be okay. Execute,
yeah.
yeah. Let's have a try again,
Yeah,
probably.
for sure.
Yeah. There, there. Tumblr, 10, 4. Are you on that screen?
The same board?
Yeah.
Yes, I am.
And can you see my card?
Let me have a look. No, I cannot. Not yet.
Um,
Was this thing working before though, like with Tori?
it was working, yeah.
Oh, right. We built it, we broke it, now we're fixing it.
Well, thinking how to fix it.
That's quite literally the process there.
Yeah, yeah. So, Hang on. So the WebSocket is opened,
Yep, seems like it. Yeah, it's same as me. Like it's the same thing to me that it is open.
but we can't see anything. Hang on a minute. I might have to troubleshoot in the code. Um, init WebSocket. Okay, cool. So it connects here.
Yep.
Message. Maybe the message isn't being triggered.
Mm-hmm. Right. What does this do though? I'm not sure.
So basically, a message it takes an event, and then from the event, it actually passes it into JSON,
Yep.
and then it just consoles out that okay, here's the data. I received a message. Maybe this is the problem.
Right. Okay.
That it's not taking the message.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. But how do we test it out though?
Default. Um, because this doesn't get displayed, which means that if is
Mhm.
open equals error return, it doesn't come here, and then on message. Is this even a function? On message. Yeah, it is a function.
Mhm. Looks like I'm out of battery on my camera, so I'll plug in my other camera in a second.
Oh, oh wow. Alright. So where's this been called? It's been called in load boards page. So every time we click,
Yeah.
um, right, this is really mind-boggling at the moment.
Fair.
In a card script.js, in it, so in a card script in script.js, board data, and then in a WebSocket. Or is it because this should come after WebSocket?
How does it make a difference though?
Because if you see, it's initializing the card in script.js,
Yeah.
and then after that is connecting to the WebSocket.
Right. Okay. Yeah, makes sense. We give that a shot.
Get boards array. Cards in a cards get message. Get boards array. Oh wow. Okay. So if that's the on disc. Oh, hang on. On disconnect. This is already there.
Yep.
Go to board URL. Go to home.
Do you wanna try and like give it a go? What are you suggesting?
Who?
You wanna give it a go? What we are suggesting here?
But um, who's suggesting that?
No, no, what
Oh,
suggesting that we change the positioning of the code.
because I'm just thinking that that doesn't really make sense if we do the positioning of the code,
Yep,
because I'll tell you why. Init WebSocket and receives message here. Yeah. So you know how we initialize the cards in script.js,
yep,
in script.js.
yep. What's the like? Is it? Are we doing it wrong?
To be honest, I'm still figuring it out
Fair enough. Now,
at the moment.
yeah. So init cards. Uh, init sounds so British.
In it,
Uh,
in it, bruv.
in script.js takes in board data. Const board nodes is equal to okay. Board items of 0. Okay, guess asking what you geezers trying to do. Geezers.
We're just basically trying to get the WebSockets working apparently, because it does say the connection is open, but K isn't seeing the cards that I create on my end.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Um, right. So populate board nodes map. Okay. I'm not sure what that does. Get nodes, board nodes.
Popular.
What's your lambda saying in CloudWatch? Dev's asking.
It's not giving any error. That's all I know at the moment. Default. Which one was it anyway? Disconnect. No, that's not the one. Hello world, connect. Disconnect. 27. Yeah. Oh man, this rice smell is really making me. It's testing me now.
Are you though? Like, are you hungry?
I'm very hungry at the moment. Um, 9. You know what? I'm gonna get rid of the ones that are confusing me.
Yeah. Um. Yeah. So Gagda says delete all your log groups. Probably looking at the wrong thing, or set up log group deletion policy.
Hmm. We need to do that 4th of April. This one was the last one. Was 4th of April. 24th of January. Wow. Do 27th. Okay, this was disconnect, so I need this one. Which one is this one? Don't need that one. Second last. So it would be in connect. Hello world connect. This one. No. Okay, forget this as well. Don't need you in my life. Actions. Delete. Connect. This one. No. Connect. Just 21. No. Don't need you either. 4th of April. No, don't need you either. Um, there we go. This is the one we need. This
Mm-hmm.
is for the connect handler. Yeah, see, no errors. Doesn't show any error. 21.5.
No errors means bad.
Exactly. In this scenario, we need errors.
True. Yeah, we don't know what it's doing then. Your code is probably not working on that error. Um, Kegda suggests to add some console logs.
I don't want to keep deploying it though, to be honest,
Right. Is that
because
a long process?
well, it's just kind of time consuming, I would say. But if we don't have a choice, we might have to do that. Okay, so get message. So it comes here. So it loads the board page, which is fine. Redirects to, if there's no board name, it redirects to home. And then set board name, yeah, that's fine, that's fine. Session storage, yeah. So internet webs. So here it initializes cards in script.js
Mm-hmm.
board, and then so basically it is doing everything right,
Yeah.
except it's not basically sending the message.
Wait, it's doing everything. I didn't get that. Sorry. Oh, it's not sending the message. Okay. Right. Is it not sending the message or is it not receiving the message properly?
Both.
No, right. Okay. Hmm. How do we solve this?
Um, why do we have local dev environment in prod? I love Tori's work, honestly. So organized.
Hmm. Interesting. So, what do you think we should do? Because like I'm this core is like really new to me, and I jump on the train once a week. So apologies, I'm not able to contribute much.
No, man, it's all new. as in the WebSocket code is all new to me as well because uh, Tori, he's the expert in WebSocket, and he literally did this functionality within a week max.
Right.
So I'm just basically trying to understand what he did and how he basically did it from the code itself.
Hmm.
So it's a matter of figuring it out, to be honest.
Such a classic understanding someone else's code.
Huh?
Such a classic understanding someone else's code.
Yeah, because at the moment, rice and this code is making me really hungry, to be honest. And I'm like, okay, when is 10:30? 13 minutes more, 20 minutes, 12 minutes more.
Nah, fair enough. Like, if you're gonna, I guess like if we can't kind of like figure it out because for me, I just haven't ever done this ever. So,
N-
I,
Neither have I, to be honest. As in, I'm just learning it as I'm reading it. Because the overall code, probably 80% I know how it works in this project, but 20% is from WebSocket, and
yeah,
that's kind of my weakness at the moment, which I don't wanna let it be my weakness.
yeah, right.
So, which is why I'm just kind of studying it and learning as I go from the code, and hoping that I catch something and that fixes it.
Fair enough. Now I'm gonna try taking like a Udemy course on it as well to see where I'm at with it.
Yeah, probably that's a good starting point for WebSockets.
Pretty much. Um,
Oh, local web dev. So why are we there's local web dev switch path name? If it's on, but how do we know if it's a local web dev or not? Load board page, index, go home. Okay, so it comes here. If it's indexed, then load board page. So I do this. Then I come over here. It loads everything, which is fine. Brilliant. So when the cards get created,
yeah.
when the card gets created, where does it go? This is crypto.js, validate, editable. Uh, Create card. Here we go. So board outline, and I'll give it to use and the most consistent at the moment. Okay, so he's doing this one. Create card, random card color, move card, send action, adjust card, delete column,
Mhm.
create card, send. Ah, here we go. So this is a dispatch WebSocket message.
Hmm.
So when you creating, oh, so it's using the default one.
Right. Have we created any like custom ones?
Default one,
Oh, is
which
it
is
created? Okay.
here.
Yeah, right.
This actually might be no. That's fine.
Hmm.
So default function. Hang on, is that even in the cloud formation
I think
default?
that's a lambda function name.
Hmm.
I think exactly.
Default. Interesting. Okay, default function is there.
Oh, it is.
And then what we have is monitoring it. So it does get triggered,
Yeah.
and it did get triggered. Ah, here you go.
Hmm.
Now I'm like, ah, DOM purifier was causing the problem.
Right. Okay. That's good.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is basically remove the DOM purifier from there.
Okay.
I
What is
think
it? What
my
is
hmm?
not defined at send? Right. Okay. So it's a reference error.
Yeah.
Right.
So if we are on there, SAM API, so this, I'm gonna for the time being remove that DOM purifier. Where's the DOM purifier coming from? Um,
Gegner
mm,
is asking, and even I'm curious, what's in your hand though, like the plastic bag?
huh?
What's on your hands?
Oh, these gloves.
Oh, okay, yeah, makes sense. I know why you have
Yeah,
them. Yeah, completely just right.
yeah. So DOM purifier is there. Ah, here we go. This was basically causing the issue. Message. So if we
Yep.
do that, now it should work like a bad boy.
Kept saying allergic to work. That's just fun.
Exactly. I found out my new allergic is keyboards. Any kind of keyboards.
Fair enough, fair enough. Maybe you have to DOM sanitize your hands more.
Yeah, yeah. Get my DOM purify in actions so it can purify my hands.
Yep. Yeah, sounds right.
Okay, cool. So disconnect. Okay, let's see this.
Yep.
And if it works, I might just carry the rest of the work offline.
Yep.
Actually, I might check if I can connect to my other laptop to the mobile hotspot and see if that works.
Yep. Sure.
Come on, dude, come on. It doesn't normally take this long. Okay, send, deploy. I did. Um, what was it? What was the command again, K? Sam
Oh,
deploy
the one which,
guided.
yeah, I think it's just D, right?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. What's happening to my brain?
It's the rice. Then it's the rice.
And the hunger.
It's,
The email. No, 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 no. That's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. This message has to come here because I need to be using the message there. Okay, nearly there.
Mhm.
Hopefully we can test it before we leave in 2 minutes, and
Yep.
hopefully everything would be working
Happy
this
ending.
time. Yep, happy ending. Deploy the change set. So I actually thought that if we just don't purify here, and
Yep.
then the purified version of the text would get stored in message, then we won't really have to worry about the reference.
Yep. True. I'm not sure what that means.
Me neither. I'm just curious now. Anyway, that is there. So I will send. I'll again do that.
Yeah.
If
Let's
you
go.
wanna scrambler 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm gonna create a note and hopefully you can receive it now. You ready?
I am ready.
We got the note.
Customer received message. Yes.
Whoa, yeah, here we go. Fantastic. So that was causing the problem.
Sick. Wait, let me send you something. Cool. I sent you my.
Yo, cool. So yeah, we can probably leave it at that for today. I'll just take this off now
Yep. Sure.
so we can save a bit of cost.
Yes. That's always good to have.
Mm-hmm.
Ready. That sounds good.
Whoa, you look bright as hell. I
Yeah.
like it.
I have to change my camera. Wait, let me turn off the light. I don't have a middle ground to this one.
Oh yeah, I see
Either,
what you mean. So it's just
yeah,
as it is.
either it's dark or bright. But if I use my obviously if I use my camera, which is died now,
Mhm.
um, it's balanced.
Ah, okay, because them must have the lightning effects as well.
Yeah, so my like the cameras can adjust their ISO,
Yeah,
but this webcam can't. And
right, right, right.
that's,
That makes sense though. All right, cool. So do you wanna do the honors and then we can kick it off?
yeah, I want to make a little joke.
Yeah,
We'll end on a light note.
hell yeah. That's it.
And, but yeah, no, that sounds good. At least we were able to figure out the why, or actually the what, not the why. We were able to figure out the what. So
Hmm.
that's first step to the solution. Yeah, I think we'll come back on Sunday.
Um, yeah. Okay, then what was the outro again? See you
Yay.
same time, same place, and
A different task.
there we
Right,
go.
guys? Have a good night.